Hey there, it's Alex from WTI. I make a lot of stickers for my small business, and the JOYEZA Premium Printable Vinyl sticker paper for inkjet printers, they did not disappoint. I don't want to say I'm an authority on sticker making, but I like to think that I know what to look for when I'm choosing the right material for sticker making. First of all, if you're looking for a true matte sticker finish, then look no further. As you can see, the contrast from the shiny gloss of my cutting machine to this paper has a true matte finish. And while you can cut out the stickers with your own scissors, I had no trouble at all with cutting them out on my Cricut, which is what they promote. My favorite way of using these stickers was to make logos for my cards, and I really like that even with a smaller intricate cut, the paper stood up well. And I like that the cello bag is labeled which side is the front side, especially with a matte finish. This can be difficult to distinguish sometimes. Really happy with how my stickers turned out with this JOYEZA paper, and that's my point of view.